Good day viewers, well, more BAZ action. Let's get some more BAZ wheels moving today. Got this BAZ to do. I think there's one more BAZ in here. There's one, another one the same as that one, another one the same. What a good knit too, wow, awesome. I'm getting some good condition of BAZs in your collection, sweet. They look practically brand new. This one's not too far off either. No corrosion on these pins, wow. Awesome. These are the most pristine ones yet, I think, in my collection of these older BAZs. Which is good. Oh, let's get this wheel moving. Alright. My new cable. Joined it all up and gets plenty of insulation on that now. It should not, I don't see a reason why that's going to get hot anymore, so that's nice and fixed up. I should get some good, a good reliable connection with this heat now, so I'll plug in. I'll monitor this temperature of this wiring here. Shouldn't get anywhere near as hot now. 10 to 40 amp there. 50, drop that down, that way to 60 amps. Wow, I'm getting more current out of this cable. Definitely. Not a bit of a rattle on this BAZ, not too bad. So on there, so we're about halfway on that arrow there. We've got 10,000 digits on this one, so it's a 38,293 kilowatt hours. 38,293 kilowatt hours on that. Wow, this cable is much more reliable. Yeah, that's heaps better. Oh, that's heaps better. Yeah, no heat at all now. Look at that, I'm passing a lot more current. Wow. Very responsive little meter, that one. Much better. Yeah, that's better. Should have done this ages ago. Had this stashed away in my storage, had to find it bloody and dig it out. Much better now, that's much better. 2 smart meter brass terminal blocks in there to join it together with such thick cabling, and just taped it up and just bolted it together at the tabs where the hall sensors are bolted onto on the inside of the meter. Let's keep it at 50 amps. 1, 2, 3, it's gone. 1, 2, almost 3 in that one too. A little bit of noise on this one. A little bit of noise, but it's running at 50 amps, that's more than its 40 amp rating. 10 to 40 amps, 400 volts per kilowatt hour, single phase, 2 wire, 50 cycles, 230 volts. 7-digit serial number, so there's over 1 million of these things made. 1,001,343 or something like that. So there was heaps of these things around. MCO Proprietary Limited, Sydney and Melbourne. This one says MCO, not Electricity Meter and Manufacturing Company. This says MCO as well. Electricity Meter Manufacturing Company, that's an older one. It says the full names of the company. This just has the acronym, so it's a later one. Pretty cool. I just chose to use a metal dial point as if the meter was really like early one. But as I said, they made millions of these and they all just got mixed batches. But yeah, this looks like I'd say it's an early late 50s or something, I reckon. Because they were making these for, I think, 20 or something years or something. They made it in this shape. The other BAZ I got from the early to mid 90s, the clear case one, is the same meter but with the other roll lead on it, like this one he's got, with this roll lead on it. The small digit cyclonumeric. So they're pretty reliable meter though. Yeah, made them from the 40s up to the mid to late 90s. So I must have been the longest production one was BAZ meters than any other meter that they would have made of the single phase in Australia. especially for email. Okay, halfway to the test. Yep, spot on. A little bit of heat, not a big issue. Got to work on my connection in here now. You can see it's knotted the tape, it's gotten too hot. That's warm, but it's not hot, so that's better than what it was before. And this connection I got to worry about. Yeah, these connections got to yeah, you got to work on those connections a bit better, I think. That'll give me some more amps too. Won't have so much resistance in it. That's better, 170 volts as opposed to bloody 220 or 200 volts before they get that same current on the other cable they had. Much better. I should be able to do some full current tests with the 100 amp meters I have now. Or close to it anyway. I have a weak point here that I've got to work on to get the best of the most current possible out of this little setup. Yep, and nearly there. 1, 2, 31 hours ago. Yep, looking good so far. Almost there. Looking good. Looking good. Nice and steady at 50 amps. Neat. Works perfectly. This little outlet is great. Much better now, much more reliable too for my tests. Rather than the ones that you put in the wall with the panel mount, this is perfect. You just sit it on like that. Board mounted as opposed to panel mounted. Almost there, and that was about halfway through there, so I'll turn that down. Alright, unplug safety first. That's exactly where it was when I started. Perfect. Nice, perfectly accurate BAZ. Unplug safety first. Alright, time for a clean-up. Yeah, I'm a bit too hot there. I think I'm going to have to work on this connection in here. Yeah, this connection in here is my weak point. That's too hot. I'll have to fix that. This one's a lot better there. Yeah, that's a lot better there. Yeah, and my weak point's in there, so it loses my current through that resistance joint. Nice clean BAZ, nice and shiny. Came out quite well, this one. I have to make another box of pack these BAZs in there, it doesn't quite fit anymore in there. Same sort of digits here to 85615, 85617. That one is not far behind. So they're all from the same board by the looks of it, from the same production run. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.